What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to an awesome video. Guys, I want to stop and talk about gold and silver for a minute. If you've been keeping up on the market, gold and silver spot prices have been soaring. They're going through the roof. And I wanted to talk a little bit about what your plan is for buying and selling silver and gold. Now, silver is up almost double of what it was about 6 months ago, and gold has gone up, I don't know, a couple $100 just in the last few weeks, guys. Now, analysts are saying that gold was going to be at $200 by the end of the year. Well, guys, it's already surpassed $2,000 right now. I believe it's trading at $2,060, something like that, $2,060 an ounce. Can you believe that? And silver, analysts are saying by the end of the year, somewhere in the neighborhood of $50 to $100. Now, I think that's a little high myself, but right now it's trading at $27, which is amazing considering it was only $14, $15 just 6 months ago. So I thought it would be fun to show you guys what all I have in our collection of gold and silver. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the items that we have here. Back here we have a sterling silver Navajo bracelet. This is about 5 ounces of silver. And then we found this stuff at a local coin shop. It was gonna be melted down. We got a really good deal on this stuff, and it is I believe all sterling silver, and these are extremely expensive. It's a brand name called Affliction, and we ended up buying everything. We had a few other things like a bracelet, some rings. We ended up selling those for major profit. Pretty much paid for the rest of the jewelry that you see here. This piece right here is actually really expensive. Grab that. You can look these up on eBay for the dog tags. These things go for big bucks, a couple $100 for one of these things. Let's take a look at some of the other cool things that we found. I found this in the melt bin. Look at this ring, guys. This thing is a beauty. It's got a giant piece of turquoise, and this is an extremely big ring, and it's extremely heavy. I would have to guess this is probably like 5 ounces right here. It is extremely heavy, all handmade, hand carved and tooled. That thing is really super cool. I bet it's like a size 13. We've got just some odds and ends, rounds. Here's one of Walt Disney that I believe Nate Barber sent me. This thing is really cool. Here's some hand poured stuff that people have sent us over the years. I love this one right here. That one's pretty awesome. It's Pennywise the Clown from the Stephen King movie It. This one is really cool. This little piece right here is really awesome as well. This is our gold. We've got 5 1-ounce Krugerrands and 2 of the 10th ounce Krugerrands. I picked these up pretty cheap before the market started going crazy, so I lucked out on that. I'm up quite a bit on this. This is a cool little pocket watch that Snacks' mom gave him. We got a couple of the bars. Now, I had 3 of them. Unfortunately, I sold one of them, but I still have those 2 right there, which is pretty awesome. And like I said, silver has doubled in the last 6 months. So I'm at a really nice profit on that stuff right there. So that's just a little look at what some of the stuff that we have in our silver and gold collection. Now, there's one major question you should really be asking yourself, guys, and that is, if you've already bought silver, where is your getting out point? When do you need to sell your silver? This is a question that I think about constantly. Do you guys remember what happened the last time silver went up to $50 an ounce, about 50, 60 bucks an ounce? A billionaire came along and flooded the market. He sold off all of his silver, and it caused the market to be flooded, and the value went down. So you don't want to wait until something like that happens, because then you're going to miss out on a lot of the profits. And one last thing that I wanted to touch on before I leave, guys, is when you're buying and selling gold and silver, you definitely want to have a plan. You really want to think about where you want to take a position when purchasing your silver and gold, and then you need to decide how much profit do you really want to take? When do you want to sell? Do you want to just take a little bit of profit, or do you want to hold off, and hold it long term and go for a big profit? It's something that you need to sit down and think about. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I sure did. I enjoyed looking at all my silver and gold again. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, click that bell. That way you get notified whenever we do another video. Guys, we will see you next time. And as always, happy hunting.